Meet Kabir, a professional SAP PP consultant working in a multinational company in Mumbai. Last year, he completed his graduation in computer application. After passing out of college, he was quite puzzled about his career choices. At that time, his uncle Samir advised him to join the SAP PP Online Training course of Best Online Career.
Kabir learned from his uncle that, apart from advanced training, Best Online Career also provides 100% job placement assistance. Kabir did not waste a single moment. He made an appointment with the professionals of Best Online Career and booked a free demo session. Kabir was so impressed at the demo session's quality that he enrolled on the online SAP PP training course of Best Online Career. He got in-depth training on real-time scenarios, advanced course materials and video recordings. The SAP-certified experts of Best Online Career also gave professional interview preparation. After completing the training, Kabir got a high-salaried job in his dream organization. Like Kabir, do you want to join the Best SAP PP Online Training course? If yes, then join Best Online Career. For more information, kindly visit bestonlinecareer.com or call 919922848898.